Hello, it's Alicia with WTI. If you want to add a really nice little burst of truffle flavor to your dishes, then I want to show you this olive oil. This is from Aroma, and this is a flavored extra virgin olive oil, and it's flavored with truffles. So this is a really nice little kitchen secret if you like the flavor of truffles and you would like to add it to your food, but you maybe can't afford to buy fresh truffles. So this is a really nice way to do that. It is a nice quality olive oil, and what's in here is dehydrated truffle. And you can actually see in the bottom that there is truffle pieces in there. And when you smell it, it really does have that smell of truffles. It has that nice aroma, that really deep earthy flavor to it. So a little goes a long way. It is a very strong flavor, but it does add something interesting and adds some depth of flavor and some complexity to your dishes. So you can use this in a variety of different dishes and just add something special. So if you would like to flavor your dishes with some truffle oil, then this is a really nice option. I would recommend it, and that's my point of view.